こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Grammar video 113 and this is about 連帯修飾 how to modify a noun. This is the fourth video of relative clause. Today we're going to learn especially the nouns like this 時間 the time 予定 this is plan and 約束約束 this is appointment or also some promise and お金 money and these are very useful to learn. I want to remind you in my grammar video number 40 I already made the video about for example 時間がありません I don't have any time お時間があります I have some time. So this kind of expression 時間があります but today we're going to explain what kind of time. For example, I don't have time to do this like this. I didn't have time to have breakfast this morning. At the end, it means I didn't have time. So 時間がありませんでした The time to eat 食べる時間 Here we say 食べる in because this is 普通形 not 食べます So 食べる時間 the time to eat But what? 今朝 this morning 朝食を食べる時間朝食 this is breakfast So the time to eat breakfast this morning 今朝朝食を食べる時間がありませんでした。今朝朝食を食べる時間がありませんでした。I don't have time to go to the bank tomorrow. The noun 時間 We're gonna explain this 時間 What kind of 時間 So 行く時間 The time to go But to where and when So 明日 This is the first 明日銀行に行く時間明日銀行に行く時間がありません I didn't have time to do homework this week Sorry 宿題をします It means to do homework But I didn't have time to do homework So 宿題をする時間 Here する This is for the plain form 普通形 And when 今週 this week 今週宿題をする時間がありませんでしたごめんなさい I made a promise to go to the park with my child tomorrow But literally in Japanese I want to say I have an appointment to go to the park with my child tomorrow The promise to go to the park or appointment to go to the park 公園に行く約束 With whom and when In Japanese we say when at first 明日 tomorrow 子供と with my child 明日子供と公園に行く約束があります I have a plan to make a business trip to Tokyo next week The word 出張 This is business trip And the verb 出張します to make a business trip Just before the noun 予定 It must be here all 普通形 the plain form So instead of 出張します出張する予定 When and where When 来週 the next week Where to where 東京に Here you can say 東京に or 東京へ Both are right 来週東京に出張する予定があります I've got the plan to go to my friend's wedding ceremony this weekend. The word 結婚 only 結婚 it means wedding. And 式 this is ceremony. So 結婚式 wedding ceremony. Do you remember how to use like a verb? For example, 結婚します I'm gonna get married. 結婚しています I'm married. On the weekend, we say 週末 Or if you want to use particle, you can use 週末に Both are okay. 週末 友達の結婚式に行く予定があります。Of course, we can make a question. Instead of があります、we can say がありますか And then this is a question. Do you have money to go to Japan? Money to go. Then 行くお金 because go, the verb to go, 行きます。And you must change to 普通形, the plain form. So 行くお金. It's easy. 日本に行くお金がありますか? Oh, I don't have money to buy a new car. The verb to buy, 買います。So here, the plain form, 買うお金, money to buy. And what do you buy? A new car. 新しい車。新しい車。And this is because this is the object of the verb 買います。新しい車を買うお金がありません。残念。新しい車を買うお金がありません。I don't have money to pay in cash. The word cash. 現金。This 金, the same 漢字 as 金。金 and 金。金 is gold, but 現金, this is money, but cash. The verb to pay, 払います。払います。But in the plain form is 払う。払うお金。The money to pay. 現金で払うお金がありません。現金で払うお金がありません。You know, today we studied the whole sentence, not only just a clause. For example, I don't have money to do something. Then, the first part is the modifying noun and があります or がありません。Now, instead of があります、we're gonna change to が欲しいです。Do you remember? If you don't remember, don't worry. You can watch my grammar video number 56. And then I explain what is が欲しいです。It means I want something. And very important point is the particle is が。something が欲しいです。I want this. これが欲しいです。I want some money to buy a new house. If I only want to say, I want money. お金が欲しいです。What kind of money I want? To buy a new house. So, 買うお金 money to buy a new house. 新しい家。新しい家を買うお金が欲しいです。新しい家を買うお金が欲しいです。I want some money to go to Japan. 日本に行くお金が欲しいです。日本に行くお金が欲しいです。Now a quiz time with 5 questions, 5 translations into Japanese. 1番目 Do you have some time to meet me tomorrow afternoon? 2番目 I've got the promise to go to Disneyland with my family on my child's birthday. 3番目 As I was very busy yesterday, so I didn't have time to go to the post office. 4番目 I don't have any plans to go anywhere next Sunday. But actually, this fourth, I want you to make a sentence like this. I'm going to tell you in the Japanese, but the literary translation, it will be like this. My plan is not to go anywhere next Sunday. 5番目、最後です。I don't have any money to lend you. Today we advanced quite a lot because not only 連帯修飾 at nominal, this is the relative clause, but after this is the first part, and after this we add があります or が欲しいです。We are still going to continue with the fifth part of relative clause, so wait for it, please. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it too. And also if you can share my videos with your friends, that is very, very helpful for me. So please. いかがでしたか？今日も連帯就職を説明しました。今日は4番目のビデオでした。パート4です。でもまだ5番目があります。楽しみにしていてください。多分もう連帯就職にはだいぶ慣れてきましたよね。連帯就職が上手に使えるようになると会話もとても上手になりますよ。このビデオが気に入ってくださったらぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録お願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ぜひお願いします。次のビデオも必ず見に来てくださいね。では次のビデオでお待ちしております。じゃあね、バイバイ。